Nowadays, pet owners are more cautious about what their pets consume, both affecting health and controlling their diets. Even some of those higher quality food brands and ingredients we purchase aren't necessarily that healthy for your pet. Scientists have discovered reasonable food quantities can help ensure a proper diet. However, the bacteria in the foods pets eat is what we ignore, which is a leading cause of constipation and diarrhea, and may lead to many other diseases. In my left hand is the revolutionary PetKit Fresh Antibacterial Bowl, and in my right hand is an ordinary bowl. Now, let's see what we find under a high-precision microscope. An advanced degerming technology we use, called BioClean Act, is embedded within our bowl. And as you can see, our bowl completely eliminates different kinds of bacteria, further providing the essential care your pet needs. Now, let's further compare the two bowls when washed underwater. The PetKit Fresh is further made of a special polycarbonate material, which makes washing a breeze. Our proprietary BioClean Act technology further inhibits any bacteria from forming. At PetKit, we're always one step closer to helping better maintain your pet's health.
VARRAM Pet Fitness is a robot designed to keep your pet healthy. It plays with your dog by automatically zooming around the room, interacting with your dog, and dispensing treats. It's a fun and hands-free way to keep your dog sharp and active all day. And VARRAM Pet Fitness is smart too. With automatic obstacle avoidance, you don't ever have to worry about it getting stuck. It can dodge anything in its way and drive over large obstacles. And with its tough construction, VARRAM Pet Fitness can go over carpet with ease and take a hit like a champ. And it's smart enough to know when your pet is no longer close. And cute enough to get your dog playing again. As a pet owner, I know how important it is to keep my dog physically active. Not only does it keep his body strong, but it stimulates his mind, helping reduce the risk of lethargy and depression. As the owner, you decide when your dog needs to be active, how many treats they can have, and how long they need to play. That way, you can always have peace of mind knowing that your pet isn't bored at home. I love having VARRAM Pet Fitness at home on those long days in the office. Knowing that there's a toy that gets Lincoln up and moving in a fun way and rewards him is so valuable to me. VARRAM Pet Fitness can be remote controlled through the app, allowing you to interact with your pet directly. You can choose a route for VARRAM Pet Fitness to follow, or you can create your own patterns for the bot to follow, making sure your dog is always getting a new experience. It's IPX4 water resistant, so it can survive everything your pet throws at it. We've also made sure to use durable, FDA-approved materials in its construction to make sure that it can withstand rough housing while always being safe for your pet. Not to mention, easy to keep clean. And VARRAM Pet Fitness takes any kind of treat you prefer as long as it fits. At the end of the day, we created VARRAM Pet Fitness to be a fun, safe way for your pet to get exercise. Its patent-pending design and high-tech abilities make it the perfect way to keep up on your pet's fitness, whether you're home or not.
I love VARRAM Pet Fitness, and Duke loves it too. Whenever I'm not home, he's always chasing that thing around. He loves the harness with the feathers.
With VARRAM Pet Fitness, I don't always have to worry about making sure I go on a walk with Lou every day. Sometimes it's just so hard to get there when I have an 8-hour day and then I come home and I just don't have any energy. But when I put VARRAM up, I can set it up on automatic and I can look at the stats and see how far she's walked and how many treats she's got throughout the day. It really takes a lot of pressure off me.
You can monitor your pet's activities on the app and even compare with your friends and keep track of your fitness history as well. We have working prototypes and secured manufacturing avenues. We simply need your help to begin production. So bring a new friend for your dog into your home by backing us today. VARRAM Pet Fitness is designed to be your pet's best friend for a lifetime.
Forgetting a poop bag is unfortunate. So is getting caught by your judgy neighbor. Introducing Petco DooDoo Drone 3000. Download the app and the cleanup drone is sent right to your pup's messy situation. With a steel claw, the DooDoo drone takes care of business. Big pooch? 9,000 to the rescue. Be done with DooDoo. Order today at Petco.com.